Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to disable the touchpad on a laptop. Before we start the video, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the like button on this video. So let us get started. Friends, sometimes we face a problem where our laptop touchpad is not working properly, or it starts working automatically. At that time, we need to disable the touchpad so that we can use the laptop comfortably. So let us see how to disable the touchpad. First of all, at the bottom of the screen, you will see the search option. Click here and search for touchpad. Then here, go to Touchpad Settings. To disable the touchpad, from here simply turn off the touchpad option. That is it. As you can see, now my touchpad is not working. Now I can use an external mouse to use my laptop. So friends, this is the way you can disable the touchpad on a laptop. If you found this video helpful, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching this video.